Stop eating soggy wings. We've all been there, right? You're craving that perfect crispy chicken wing, but what you get instead is a sad, soggy mess. It's disappointing, to say the least. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's how to make them crispy and delicious right in your air fryer. No more soggy wings, just pure, crispy perfection every single time. Whether you're hosting a game night, a family dinner, or just treating yourself, these wings are going to be a hit. First things first, grab 12 whole chicken wings. Make sure they're fresh and of good quality. The quality of the chicken can make a big difference in the final result. If you can, get them from a local butcher or a trusted source. Pat them dry with paper towels. Trust me, this step's super important for that perfect crispiness. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness, so take your time with this step. You want those wings to be as dry as possible before moving on. If you want, cut them into drums and flats or leave them whole. Cutting them can make them easier to eat and can help them cook more evenly. But if you prefer the whole wing experience, that's perfectly fine too. Now, in a big bowl, toss those wings with a tablespoon of olive oil. The oil helps the seasoning stick to the wings and also contributes to that crispy texture we're aiming for. Make sure each wing is well coated. Season with a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. These basic seasonings lay the foundation for flavor. Don't be shy with the seasoning. You want every bite to be packed with taste. Add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika if you're feeling fancy, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper for some heat. The smoked paprika adds a nice depth of flavor, while the cayenne gives it a little kick. Adjust the cayenne to your heat preference. And don't forget the secret weapon, a tablespoon of baking powder. This might sound strange, but baking powder is the key to getting that extra crispy skin. It helps to draw out moisture and create a beautiful, crunchy texture. This is the crispy magic. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Once you try it, you'll never go back to making wings without it. Next, preheat your Ninja Air Fryer Max XL to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 minutes. Preheating ensures that the wings start cooking immediately and helps to achieve that perfect crispiness. If you don't have this specific model, any air fryer will do, just make sure to preheat it. Place the wings in the basket in a single layer. This is crucial for even cooking. If the wings are piled on top of each other, they won't cook evenly, and you'll end up with some parts being crispy and others being soggy. No overcrowding, okay? You might need to do this in batches. It's better to cook in batches than to overcrowd the basket. Overcrowding can lead to uneven cooking and less crispy wings. Air fry at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes, flipping halfway through. Flipping the wings ensures that they cook evenly on all sides. Keep an eye on them towards the end of the cooking time to make sure they don't burn. Want them extra crispy? Air fry for another 3-5 minutes at the end. This final step is optional, but highly recommended if you love that extra crunch. Just be careful not to overdo it. While that's cooking, let's talk sauce. A good sauce can take your wings to the next level. There are so many options, but today we're going with a classic buffalo sauce. Mix a quarter cup of buffalo sauce with a tablespoon of melted butter. The butter adds a rich, creamy texture to the sauce and helps it cling to the wings. Feel free to adjust the ratio to your taste. Once those wings are done, toss them in the sauce until they're nicely coated. Make sure each wing is well covered in that delicious sauce. You can use a large bowl to make this easier. Serve hot with your favorite dipping sauce, ranch or blue cheese, anyone? These dipping sauces complement the wings perfectly and add an extra layer of flavor. You can also serve them with celery sticks or carrot sticks for a bit of crunch. There you have it, crispy, delicious air fryer chicken wings. Enjoy! These wings are sure to be a crowd pleaser. Whether you're making them for a party or just for yourself, you'll love how easy and delicious they are. Happy cooking!